Hey guys, Makeups Out here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing something different. I am doing kind of an unboxing video. I haven't gotten a new phone in 4-5 years. The phone that I have is so old that they don't even make the same iPhone anymore. It's not being manufactured, it's not being processed, it's not made. You probably can't get this phone anywhere but eBay. The phone that I have now is the iPhone 5S. Go ahead and laugh, I know. So when I was shopping around for iPhones, I really didn't know what iPhone I wanted to get. I was in between the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11. I was watching tech videos, so many different unboxings and different specs about both phones. So I opted for the iPhone 11. And also when I was picking the iPhone 11, I was indecisive about the color that I wanted to get. I knew I didn't want the yellow because ew. I knew I didn't want the red because I don't know, I feel like even though red is my favorite color, I just didn't want anything that was that bright. And I didn't want the white because it was going to get dirty. So the only color that was pretty much left was green, which was, I believe, sold out. So the color that was left after that was the purple. Looks more lilac to me iPhone. And as you can see on the box, it has little purple apples on it. On the side of the box it says iPhone in purple letters. That is the front of the box right there. And as you can see, the plastic is already off of the box. I can take the lid off of the box. And that is because the people at Best Buy put the screen protector on my phone for me, so that way it was on there perfectly and I wouldn't have to try and do it myself. I'm gonna go ahead and like open the box, even though the box has already been opened, and you know, like the classic ripping of the plastic I can't do, but I still wanted to, you know, do the whole unboxing thing. And there it is. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? Doesn't it look so pretty? So we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. As you can see, the screen protector is already on the phone. This feels so nice. I know there's a glass screen or a glass covering on the back of this phone, but it doesn't even feel like glass. I know that's a weird statement, but it feels really nice. I definitely feel like if I didn't have a case on this, which I have, I'll get to the case in a second, but I feel like if I didn't have a case on this, I would drop this all the time. And I feel like if I was to drop this, it would crack immediately as soon as it hits the ground. There is no saving it. It's cracking automatically. So this phone has to have a case, period. I haven't really set much of anything up. All I did was just switch over everything from my old iPhone to this one. And everything still needs to be set up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. The case that I got for this phone is I believe it's called Insana, and I got a hard shell clear case with raised edges and scratch resistant. Yeah, I already have it outside of the box, and this is the case right here. I got the clear case because I was planning on decorating the case myself, and I didn't see a need in getting the already decorated cases. I might make a video of me decorating this case. We'll see. So we're gonna go ahead and set up Face ID. First ID scan complete. Where his slave to complete a circle. Why do I have to do this again? Okay, so I just set up Face ID. Now we're gonna see if it works. Why isn't it unlocking? Isn't it supposed to automatically unlock? Why do I have to swipe up to activate Face ID? Why is this so amazing to me? Ah, I unlocked. Let's do it again. Oh, wait, you want to see? Look, 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 look. Can y'all see? Oh, let me get... We're unlocked. So now we're going to do Memoji. Oh my gosh, I have 20% on my phone to make a Memoji. Ah. Skin tone. Kind of like... that look ashy. What? Why does that look ashy? That's not okay. Okay, I'm not an ashy brown skin person. Let's get that clear. Oh. No. Nah. We're gonna go with right there. Okay. Freckles. I have none. I'd like some, but I was not blessed with freckles. Blush. Do we want excessive blush or light blush? We're gonna go with... They better have the option for contour. Why is it so difficult to choose? We're gonna go with this one. Oh, I can make my own color? No. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Beauty spot. I have one, but it's like right here. Well, I guess technically would this be the same thing? Oh no, that's way too potent. My beauty mark is not that strong. Never mind. I'm gonna take that back. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing. They got the poetic justice braids. Poetic justice braids, okay? The fight the power braids. Them fresh out of jail braids. I'm not really seeing what I'm looking for. Okay, we're just gonna take this with a side part. Can the part be on the other side? Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Let's get a brownish, blackish color. Like right in there. Right? I am so curious to see what this gray looking highlight thing looks like. Oh no. Can you highlight it with anything? Pink highlights, purple highlights, them pumpkin highlights. I wonder if we could do like multiple highlights. Like highlights and lowlights. I don't know why, but this screen keeps jumping. Like, what is that? Stop doing that. I'm your owner. Respect me. I think that is it for the hair. Let's go to brows. I like me a thick, well, semi-thick brow with a high arch. And I think this is probably the best we're gonna get. I think we're gonna go back and change the hair though. Face piercing. Don't got none of those. We're gonna go back to hair and we're gonna darken it just a little bit. Yep, there we go. Okay, so these eyes, we got some brown eyes, some extra brown eyes, some unnecessarily brown eyes. Can I make a gradient even though that's like not my eye color at all? It can go to pink. Okay, so we're just gonna go with like some almost brown eyes. Okay, eye shape. I was told that I have Chinese eyes, so perfect. I feel like right now I got like a high person's eye. Like them droopy kind of like, what are you talking about? Just hit this blunt, bruh. Kind of eye. You know what I mean? I'm not even looking in the mirror. We're gonna go with that. Eyelashes. We want those extra dramatic, unnecessary eyelashes. Not dramatic enough for me, but we'll deal with it. Eyeliner. We want that winged eyeliner. We're gonna go with this one. Okay, eyeshadow. I want something low-key extra because I'm extra. We're gonna go with this one. I've been feeling red eyeshadow lately, so I might go with that. The red isn't really bright enough for me though. Yeah, we're gonna stick with red. It's gonna have to do. Head shape. Elderly. Baby. Teenaged. Okay, so why does a baby look like it has a little button nose like Rudolph? Elderly just got all sad and droopy. We're kind of chunky. A little round in the middle. I don't have time for this. Ah, I'm dying. I'm dying. My phone is dying.
Okay, we're gonna go with this. We don't have time.
Let's see. I don't have a huge nose. And I don't have a very tiny nose. I want to go with this one just because I like these nose rings and I think they're really pretty. Should I go with one to match my shadow? I kind of want a rose gold tang. I might change this later. I think we're close to being done. I got like an extra large bottom lip and a medium sized top lip. I'm gonna go with that. That look good. Okay, we got teeth. God has blessed me with a gap in the middle. Ooh, a tongue piercing. Let me find out. Ooh. Ah. Why is this so much fun? Let's see, you can't even see my ears. So let's just go with like the standard. Even though my phone is dying, let's do one for fun. No. We the best music. I'm father of a son. I got a turban. I like my turbans. I got a turban. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Now let's go to, where can you change the lips at? There we go. That's kind of cute. I don't really like a red lip though. Recently I've been feeling more nude. That grungy gothic purple. How did I skip that? I completely went past the lipstick. Alright you guys, we're done. What do you think besides the whole hair situation? I could change it really quick. I think I could. The Poetic Justice braids look so much better with everything done. Wakanda! I guess we can go with this hair. So I usually got like some flips and curls and stuff going on. So I just want to change this to gold to match everything else. Yeah. Now we done. So I made my own Memoji. What do you think? Does it look good? Does it look like me? I guess that's the biggest question. I think I did alright. Let me know. Bye. So I made a Memoji. How's it looking? Is we cute? Is the blush good or not? I'm a little upset because they ain't had no contour and they ain't had no highlight, but we just got to deal with it. But let me know. Hey guys, just decided to record a quick video on this camera. As you can see, the quality on this is ridiculous because pimple, pimple, giant pores, pimple, pimple, pimple. All you see is pimples. Thanks, Apple, but